Sony X90L series versus the Sony Bravia 9. So let's start with the X90 series. So it is the Sony's more affordable LED model and a full array LED with local dimming aimed at providing strong picture quality and gaming features. So for the pros, it offers a full array LED with pretty good local dimming. It has a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. It offers Sony's image processing, which is solid, and they have a Google TV Smart interface. The cons is though, it is not a mini LED. The HDR peak brightness is good, but not as astounding as the flagship mini LEDs, and there are some viewing angles that aren't great. Now Sony Bravia 9 on the other hand is Sony's 2024 flagship mini LED TV. It offers premium build, cutting-edge backlight tech, and a higher brighter and contrast. Now for the pros, it is a mini LED backlight with much more local dimming zones. It offers much higher peak brightness and strong HDR performance. They have a stronger viewer angle and the support for better anti-reflection. And the audio is better, which is built in 2.2.2 channels. Now the cons is though, the price is much higher, and there are only two HDMI 2.1 ports, and they have some flagship power, which draws more attention to setup. Benefits are more visible under ideal conditions. So overall, if you want the best picture performance and brighter HDR, then choose the Bravia 9. But if you want a very good performance for games and movies without spending flagship prices, then choose the Sony X90L series.